Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. Today it's really a springy, gorgeous sunny day today, so I want to do something bright, something floral. We still don't know yet if we're going to have any nice floral foliage after the big snowstorm because well, I don't know what the technical term is, like it freeze, all the shrubs look freezer burned. Their leaves are just dead and falling off. So they told us don't pull them up yet. Wait and see if new life comes back. We're hoping. But anyway, I've got my Floribama shirt on today. I'm ready for some fun. I'm ready for some fun painting, and I'm ready for a fun trip. Hey, anybody want to go to Floribama? I'm in. But right now, let's get to pouring some paint. So these are the supplies that you're going to need, or I'm going to need, or we're going to use for today's project. I've got my base, my background, I want it to be blue. And I'm going to be using the Hippie Crafter paint again, the ready mix pouring paints. I've got a yellow, metallic rose, and then a dark rose. They're really pretty together. Got a little balloon here, and a straw. So those are going to be my tools for this painting. Okay, so I have all my phthalo blue here, and I'm going to start here. I'm going to have to rotate it a bit. I was going to put it on my turntable, but I decided not to do that. But anyway, start with a layer here of the rose. Then the metallic rose, which is just a really pretty color. And a dab of yellow. And our straw. Okay, so now for some more fun. Got these blown out. They're standing out, really pretty colors here. So now I'm going to take my little balloon. I tried to leave it as squishy as possible. And I'm just going to gently touch it down to what I've blown out here. Okay, I'll decide which orientation. We'll come back and finish off the garden. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some green and put some little stems here and there. I'm just going to put some little tiny leaves here and there with a string. Now clearly you could keep going and put as many stems as you wanted. This one's kind of faded away on me. I think I'm going to add a little more to him. So now we have some cheery little flowers on a beautiful sunny day. Simple household kid whatever tools to do this with. So I can't wait to hear what kind of imaginations you guys have to make your little floral garden, and I can't wait to hear about it. But thanks for stopping by. I so appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe if you haven't, and hey, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.